this? Now, my husband. Babe, this abaya. This abaya you've been talking about. This abaya, like. Hey, my husband is not a romantic man. No, he's not a romantic man. No. Hey, birthday clothes. Oshe. Babe. Nah. What's this? Nah lie. Babe, nah lie. Nah lie. Babe. What's this? What should be this thing? Nah lie. Jesus. Jesus. See. Babe. Nah lie. Hey, my husband don't change. My husband don't change. Jesus, babe, see this one. God. That lie. Babe, tote bag. Hey. This is so nice, babe. This is so nice. Wow.
I got them from China.
You got them from where?
China.
Hey, babe, with this abaya. Jesus. My husband. So you can be romantic like this. I don't feel much this your energy. Babe, come see this one. Do you know how I've been wanting to get this shoe? Like, it was even part of those shoes that you asked me to ask that my Lagos vendor how much, but the guy was calling price. Babe, this is so nice. Jesus.
I told them all of them.
Now, the size being over life. Like, how did the person know my perfect size?
No, I told them everything should be 40.
40.